Yo guys, we are back in full effect with sneaker grills. Now this one right here is something I had to reach all the way back for. It's something I always wanted to add into the collection, and I have a couple more of those grills that I will be unboxing throughout the next couple of weeks, kind of spreading out the content because I do want to actually take this series a little bit further, going to travel places, finding those Grail sneakers, and bring you guys along the journey. But when I tell you these right here were ones that I always wanted, it's always been high on my list in terms of priorities, what I was going to reach back and grab. And as I let most of the sneakers out of my collection go, I say, you know what? Now I think this is the perfect time to, go back and reach and get those ultimate grills of mine. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the newest grill that we add to the sneaker collection. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one of them ones. You guys heard the intro. You heard me ramble a little bit, but again, I want to bring you guys on a journey, and we have the pack in, and we're not going to do too much talking. But in the meantime, in between time of us unboxing these, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, make sure you guys run them lights up. Every single like counts, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. You can also do something a little extra step for content creators. You can just swipe over from the comments and hype the video up. So if you want to hype the video up, that would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the pack, man. Let's get into the pack. I had to have them, bro. Again, been eyeing them for a while, and I say, you know what? It ain't gonna buy itself. It ain't gonna buy itself, and it's not gonna just magically appear in the collection. So, I had to do a couple things. Your boy had to do a couple things in order to get them. Not do a couple things. I had to spend a couple things, you know what I'm saying, in order to get these. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we have it. And I'm already seeing something that I'm not liking. Again, this is an older pair of shoes. So, yeah, we might have to reach back for a refund on these guys in terms of the entire package. Let's go ahead and pull it out, bro. Let's pull it out, man. Y'all see, we do have a pair of Air Jordan 1s. Y'all see what we got, man. So let's go ahead and read. Or actually, I can just show y'all. Y'all should know of somewhat what we do have here. Check it out. Check it out right here. You guys can see the little flip out on the top of the Nike Air Jordan box. And the official colorway reads Air Jordan 1 Off-White NRG. And I got these in a size 9.5. Yo, boy, pulled the trigger. And let's go ahead and peep what we got under the lid in 3, 2, 1. And bam, bro. Y'all see it. Hold on. Let's a little plastic cover it up. Let's go ahead and actually check them out. Flipping it open. Of course, on the inside, you do get your GOAT card. Shouts out to the lovely GOAT app, even though I wasn't too lovely when I paid the price for these. But I had to have them, man. On the inside, you get, I guess this goes around the sneaker. Not too sure. But again, the box came a little damaged. So I paid way too much money, you know what I'm saying, to not have a pristine condition pair. And you guys see them, bro. We have them, the Nike Off-White Air Jordan 1 UNC, guys. And these choices nasty, bro. These are super clean. Let's pull both of the sneakers out of the box. And I'm sure, yes, it did come with some extra laces. Put this one to the side right here. And yeah, let's go ahead and kind of break these things down. And I'm only seeing blue laces. Now, y'all help me out, bro. I could have swore these. Okay, I was about to say now. I'm about to say, bro, I paid too much money for these, bro. Come with some orange laces, and it comes with the UNC blue laces, and the white laces come equipped in there. Bro, I was about to snap. I was about to snap live on the video. So you got 2 extra laces. Thought they came in the bag. I'm not too sure. It's an older pair of shoes. I know they kind of transitioned recently to the bags, and then some of them don't. But yeah, man, this is one that I really wanted, and I kind of feel like the want for the regular UNC Jordan 1s, kind of spilled over to the Off-White release, because after the Off-White UNC 1s came out, the resale value for the UNC 1s, the OG pair, just skyrocketed. Still to this day, they're going for about $500 to $600. I say, you know what, bro? Can I get these or should I get the OGs? And I just went ahead and picked up, a little bit of hypeness, a little bit of off-white vibe. And yes, we do have them in the collection. So y'all let me know down below in the comment section, do y'all approve of this Grail of mine? This was a holy Grail of mine, I'm not gonna lie, and it was high on the list. And still to come, I will be doing a top 5 sneaker Grail video very soon. Just don't know when I'm gonna drop it. Got some other girls coming in, and again, I might kind of spread those videos out to kind of keep the sneaker Grail episodes, plan them out a little bit better in order for you guys to enjoy some of the content. So along with you getting extra laces, like I say, you do get the infamous off-white hang tag right here. Not the hang tag, this is a zip tie, and on the zip tie reads off-white CO Nike, and this says 2018 zip tie. And I think these did come out around 2018 if I'm not mistaken. Check out the back right here, and then even looking at the tongue, get your exposed foam around the tongue, Nike Air on the tag, and you even also have that exposed foam around the heel of the sneaker as well. And since I got all you guys here now, please let me know down below in the comment section, are you rocking out with the white laces, the UNC laces, or should I rock out with the orange laces? I need y'all help in terms of rocking them, because these will be put on feet very soon. Y'all gonna see. These will be put on feet very soon, believe you me. And I can't wait to throw them on feet, bro. I did go to a size 9.5. I know recently I did move up to a 9.5 over the last couple years. I feel like shoes have been feeling a little bit tighter. I don't know what it is. Maybe my foot grew. Don't know. But I was on the safe side and pulled the trigger on a 9.5. But man, again, Grail of mines checked off the list. I literally took it off the 10 that I have currently in my notes that I really want to get. And now we got 9 more to get, and we have a couple packages behind me. I can't see them, but it is a couple of Grails in there as well. And I'm just seeing a little bit of things. Again, it could be because it is an older sneaker, but it's like a little, like some dirt on the side right here. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. And then on the you know, the upper part where the Nike swoosh is kind of sewn down to, this part, this like nubuck suede area, I don't know if that's like dirty or if that's just because it is an older pair of Air Jordan 1s. You guys can help me out. I know it's a couple of people watching that, you know, have these off-whites in the collection, but other than that, other than the box being all broken up, which I'm getting a refund, go, y'all gotta hook your boy up, unbox these live and in the flesh. But you know, if you're paying over $1,000 for a shoe, of course you're gonna want some pristine condition, you know, with everything that you do purchase along with that item. A couple other details with these that I really love, man. On the inner of this thing, you got off-white for Nike Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. And then of no significance, you got this little extra tag right here. It says made in China. I cannot wait to throw these joints on feet right here. Again, a Grail of mines. And I need everybody in the comment section below to let me know what are some of your top 3, top 5. If you want to go overboard, put your top 10 Grails in the comment section. I am super interested in knowing what are people feeling out there? What's people's Grails? What are they eyeing? What seems kind of unobtainable? You might have to pull up with a bag to get the sneakers. I want to know what that sneaker is to you. And sometimes a Grail don't have to be super expensive. Like you guys are going to see in my top 5 Grail video, and some shoes on there that's only going for like $250, $300. It's just a matter of me actually pulling the trigger to get them. There's so much stuff coming out to where you kind of push them off to the sides, but you just know in the back of your head that you really want them. That could be the situation you're in as well. So let me know in the comment section. But again, other than the damaged box, which is crazy because I remember one time I sent the damaged box in to go, they charged me a fee. So I need a little refund, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I pay way too much, but you know, it is super dope to have. This is my first off-white Jordan 1, the first one. Super excited about that. And the one that I really want, and it is not even on the Grail list because it is unobtainable. I feel like you got that unobtainable Grail list, and then the Grails that are obtainable. The Chicago off-white Air Jordan 1s are going for like $4,000, and they are super old. Those came out like 2015 or 2016, one of the two. It's an old sneaker, you probably can barely wear it. It costs a mortgage, you know what I mean? It's ridiculous how much that shoe costs, but again, it can still be a Grail. You might have to save up for a little bit, pass on a couple releases, and then you can get them if you want them. But hey, I'll be just fine with the UNC off-whites Super, super excited to have these, man. One more quick 360 of the UNC off-white Grail of mine, sneaker grails. We back, I think it's like episode 5 or 6, not too sure, but I had to bring you guys along the way and show y'all what your boy has been copping. And again, let me know what you've been copping or what you are anticipating to cop this year in 2026. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, run them likes up, and hype the video up for your boy, The Vintage. All that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.